Why can't we live together? No more wars, no more wars, no more war. Just a little peace in this world. No more wars, no more war. All we want is some peace in this world. Everybody wants to live together. Why can't we live together? Everybody wants to live together. Why can't we live together?
Why won't you let me die? Because you still have work to do yet. The pain. If you want to stop the pain, it is tied to Jefferson, or one called Earl.
Earl is dead. I can't remember anything else about him.
Your past will get back to you time and time again. Until you untie your knot of your pain. And then can I die? What the hell are you smiling about? After knowledge comes redemption. And then you shall know peace. Peace. What the hell are you talking about? How do I get redemption? You will know after you untie the knot your pain has died. Yes. We don't add it up, we don't eat it down. Who's that? Not who's that. What's that? Roadkill. Possum. You know, sometimes I try to bring something back that's particularly partial and just a little pungent. Why? I don't know. Push myself, you know, Latavius. Just trying to get better at what I do. What's on your mind, son? I swear. You know, he killed Lady Eve, too. She brought me here to Blackbird. Taught me how to use my gifts. And to love. To love her. And the work that I do. Now, there's a hole in my heart. And it cannot be filled. Where Tobias goes, heartache is sure to follow. That's why.
What is the assignment? Come through your block, hey. Like Batman with a block, hey. Red bands on a gun, bitch Cyclops, hey.